Hey everybody, it's Zen here, and you can find me on Twitter at Zen or go to XRP Crypto Queen. Okay, now XRP, just for the record, is not the only coin that I own, but I will explain to you why it is a favorite on another video. Okay, today I just wanted to go over, and I apologize, I'm still learning how to use ScreenFlow to blur different areas because I don't want to use example wallet addresses because I don't want anyone to get confused, and I also don't want to expose my own sensitive information because, you know, hackers and scammers are everywhere. So bear with me while I do that. But today I wanted to just, I had a few questions about VeChain, ADA, and a few other coins. How do I load them into my ledger? So what I did, and I don't know why this keeps popping up here. Okay, because I wanted you to see where I looked it up, okay? So you get your Ledger Nano, and I have an X, and I will leave a link in the description so that you can pick up your Ledger so that you could keep your crypto on a hard wallet. I've also been asked the questions, do you ever leave any crypto on exchanges? Yes, I do, but I prefer not to. I leave maybe 5% of my holdings so that I can trade with them, and that's it. I am not a day trader. I am not a week trader, month trader. I am a buyer and hodler. That is what I do. That is pretty much what I teach newbies because it's like any other investment. I wouldn't want you watching stocks daily and charts and things that really, you know, can weigh you down if you're a beginner. Things over time will gather their own momentum if you're choosing the right coins, and we'll get into that on another video also. VeChain happens to be one that I like and own, VET. So here's how you do it on Ledger. And Ledger Live, I was also asked this question. Ledger Live is the software that your Ledger that you plug into either your phone or your computer. It's the software it runs on. Once you transfer your crypto into your hard wallet, the Ledger, which looks like this, you simply shut down the software, and when you pull your Nano X out, the USB port out, it will automatically ask you for your PIN code. So it's not open. You can also hit quit before you pull the USB cord out. It's up to you. There are times when I've had lag time moving coins, and it will ask me for my PIN code again. So there's a few safety protocols within the Ledger system so that it's just not sitting there open. So here's what you do. You click on an install, but first you go to the manager section. Sorry. This is what the menu looks like on the left-hand side of your Ledger Live software, okay? It'll give you your portfolio, send, receive, and then manager. I do not, I'll repeat that, I do not buy crypto on my Ledger. I use exchanges for that. And I have preferred exchanges, and I will go over those too. As soon as I get my ScreenFlow skills up to speed, and I promise you that'll happen by midweek next week. Anyway, you click on manager, and then click on the install button. For this, you open the VeChain app on the Ledger Nano once it is installed, and then you head over here. Note and read this. Always make sure you're going to the correct URL. This, once you click on it, should show up right in the URL box. If you see anything else that is a fakie, that's a scammer working on you to steal your crypto. So always make sure you check your URL, make sure you're on the right one. Then you click on the launch wallet button and wait for that wallet to load. Your wallet will then be shown. See, these are very good simple instructions. And simply click on the blue receive button in my portfolio on your Ledger. So it displays several addresses and a QR code. You could just pick an address. Just pick one. It's unique to you. And see, it says thanks for reading, because this is super simple. You just have to get your ledger set up correctly. Now, if you're in this space with your manager on Ledger, you'll notice that you can install several coins there, and some of them will show up, and some of them you do have to go to their specific website to do one further step, adding that wallet so that it moves that particular coin into your ledger correctly. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Again, I'll be picking up the speed on my learning skills with ScreenFlow so that I can show you straight off my phone and my computer some really important things for you to know. And I plan on having that done by midweek next week. Thanks for your patience. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments section. Again, I'll put a link to things in my description box. If you have any questions, I don't care how simple they sound or how complex they are, I will address them. This channel is for crypto newbies of any age, but I know that there's a lot of people, let's say over 50, that are not that tech savvy, so I also offer specific Zoom calls for a very nominal cost to help you get set up if you need that. So I hope this was helpful, and let me know what you think in the comments. Ask questions, and I am here to help. So have a great weekend, have a great week, and I will chat with you soon. Thanks so much for being with me and watching.